This is another over at the McConnell Center, Dover, New Hampshire. It's Thyssenkrupp. It's got an L. Use the same context as impulse. We're not going down to 1 because the police station's down there. But it's still got that Dover buzz. Here we are at L. Now I'll go up to 3. Let's ring the bell. Maybe the down one works. Yep, it does. Here we go up. Up there, now it's taking the up call. Here we go. This is a hydro, not a traction. The force is just shortly spaced. See? Use the impulse contacts. We'll go down one more time. And then come back to 3 and end it. Get a cab here. Pretty basic elevator. Here's the fixtures, the door vandal resistant, or Thyssenkrupp vandal resistant. Just battery capacity, there's the 88 phone. Now I'll go up to 3 again. Wait, here's the date and time, by the way. What a cool Dover buzz. Here we go, 3. That is awesome. I'll watch it close. But there it goes. That'll be it. Oh, what the? Decided to take a down call too. Oh, and it closed again. That was weird. There it goes. That's it.